Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a new note in Evernote. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Evernote web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Evernote? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice. And once you do that, locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type evernote.com and it's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. Once you get into the official website, go ahead and fill through the on-screen prompts to either create a new account or log in using an existing account. And once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to create a new note in Evernote. From your homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen. And you're gonna find a couple features: home, shortcuts, notes, tags, calendar, and even down to get started. Now at the top, you're gonna find this green button that says new note. So go ahead and click on the new notes button. It's gonna take you to the notes window where you can now create a note. So here you go, you have a blank page that is here without a title. So now you can create a new note, and let's do that together. First off, let's give a name to this. Let's say my work mode. So in this new note, you can actually just start writing, or you can drag files, or you can even start from a template. Now there are existing templates here. We have this to-do list, reading list, daily reflection. You can even click on add more for you to get into the templates window. So here you have like templates available for you. Now you can even click on open gallery for you to open a gallery of templates. This is the template that I created, but you can click on this template gallery to access a wide array of other templates. I'm going to click on this X button. That's if you want to use templates. All right, and then let's say we're writing what has been super. Now with this, you can actually customize the content of this note. You can use a normal text, larger header, medium header. This, you can even change the font of your notes. These are fonts, so go ahead and choose the font that you want. You can go ahead and even change the font size. All right, now you can head over to more to add more things to actually make your stuff really cool. So next, you can even change the color of your work. So just highlight any text and change the color. Now you can even use this insert option. Click on insert. You're going to see more options. You can add the tags inside your note. You can add the calendar event. Just link your note to a calendar event. You can add links. You can add note links. You can add tables. You can add dividers, attachments, image, checkbox. You can even do an audio recording in your notes, even code block, sketch, and you can get notes from Google Drive. So these are the things that you can actually use, or these are things that you can do to create your content in the note, or to create your note in Evernote. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.